Hey guys, and welcome. Today we are coming at you from Nashville, Tennessee, where you can see we have had an incredible amount of snow here. Taking a look at my truck, I'm going to measure just how much snow we've had so far. The snow is just continuing to fall. It is noon on Thursday, January 6th, and we're going to take a look at just how much snow we've received so far. As you can see there, about 4 inches. Now, we had a snowstorm. This is on the tonneau cover of my pickup truck here. We had a snowstorm that occurred last weekend where we had some amazing snowfall, and I've got some footage of that I'm going to show here in just a second. But let me show you around at some of the snow that's currently falling here in Nashville. Here's some footage from our backyard, one of our blue spruce trees, where you can see the snow accumulating. Here we have a shot as the snow is falling with our red barn in the back. And here's another one of our blue spruce trees. As you can see it piling up with snow in the back here. Absolutely beautiful. So we have some palmettos that naturally grow back in our wood line, and we've dug up some of those and replanted them closer to the house here. But just look at how much snow has piled up on these palmettos. And if you're getting a winter storm where you live, we hope that you stay safe, stay warm, and thanks for watching today's video.